Hello everyone. Today I will be giving a brief introduction to Mango Languages. Mango Languages is our go-to resource for learning a second language, whether it is for fun, for school, or if you are looking at either traveling or relocating. You can find Mango Languages from our main website or our KCPL from home website. To access it, you simply go to the preferred version of our website and scroll down until you find the link for Mango Languages under our online services section. Normally, when you click on the link, it will ask you for your card number and PIN, but due to some connection issues I've been having, I have already signed in. Once you are in Mango, it will ask you for a username and password, or you can use Mango as a guest. If you are planning on using the Mango app, or if you are planning on actively using Mango to learn a language, I would strongly suggest creating an account, as it will keep track of where you have left off in your individual lessons, as well as the lessons you have already completed. For the purpose of this lesson, I am just going to use Mango as a guest. Now, once you sign into Mango, it will ask you to pick a language. If you have already started, it will bring you directly to where you've left off. In this case, since it's our first time, I'm going to go to See All here instead of browsing through the preferred or offered languages on the front page. Now, as you can see, all of the languages are listed here in alphabetical order. And in this case, if you were learning English as a second language, you can simply click on English and then choose your native language. And that will provide your lessons in your native language as though you were learning elsewhere or were learning from a textbook in your native tongue. Otherwise, you simply find a language that you are interested in and click on it, and it will immediately bring you to that language lesson. Each lesson is broken down into a collection of sections and chapters. As you can see, there are 4 chapters and 41 lessons here for Japanese. If you wanted to pick up on the language, you simply just click on the individual lesson, and it will go through step by step, and it will be reading a collection of lines to you and having you either record yourself in return, or it will have you go through a collection of drills to see how much you have retained. Now, each language also will have a collection of specialty units over here on the left-hand side. Some of these specialty units are for specific challenges, in the case of Japanese, English loanwords, or for other popular languages, mostly European languages, there will be lessons based on specific events as well as some commonly used lessons. If you were to pick a lesson, it will give you a brief tutorial on how they plan on teaching you. In this case, you're recognizing patterns as well as comparing your voice and pronunciation to what a native speaker would be speaking. And from here, you are given your goals as well as the option to begin by pressing the start button. Now, what will happen here is it will read off the individual sections to you. As you could see, a highlight appears around each box as being read, so you can read and follow along. For languages that do not use Roman characters, you will be presented with the native language writing as well as the translation in English beneath it. And as you move section by section, it will go ahead and make the required grammar notes as well as some input on writing if that is one of the languages that are based around a non-Roman alphabet. And after you go through that first listening lesson, you can press the button here in the middle to listen to the word, and then you can press this button here to speak it back, and it will do a comparison on that to assist you with getting the correct pronunciation. Now, if I could actually speak, I'm sure we'd be all just fine with this. That is our very brief and short introduction to starting with Mango languages. As you can see, it is pretty easy to navigate back and forth and also rather simple to flip between one language and another. If you have any questions about getting started with Mango or accessing it, please do not hesitate to reach out to us via our Facebook page or on our main website and KCPL from home with the chat service we have there. I hope this helps get you started on learning a second or third or further language. Have fun and stay safe.